Aiva is one of the earliest AI music composers focused heavily on orchestral and cinematic soundtracks. It's great for film scores and instrumental backdrops. Suno, meanwhile, has exploded in popularity for generating full songs with vocals, chords, and lyrics just from a text prompt. It's aimed at quick pop, rap, and indie style tracks. But here's the big challenge. Suno is already facing lawsuits from major labels over alleged copyright infringement, raising questions about its long term stability. On the user side, feedback shows Aiva is praised for reliable composition in cinematic genres, while Suno gets credit for creativity but also complains that its vocal can feel soulless. That's where a human or hybrid producer comes in. Slower and more costly but unmatched in emotional nuance, real time feedback, and avoiding the copyright minefield AI is still cut in. So, the final verdict: if you want orchestral scoring, Aiva is your pick. For fast, vocal driven songs, Suno leads, though with risk. But for artistry and staying power, a human producer still wins.